Tired of reaching the bottom of a DuckDuckGo search results page and having to click more results every time? DuckDuckGo includes an infinite scroll feature that automatically loads more search results as you scroll, making browsing much faster and smoother. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable infinite scroll in DuckDuckGo Browser. Let's get started. First, open DuckDuckGo Browser on your computer. Now click the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click on Private Search. In the Private Search section, look for Open DuckDuckGo Search Settings and click it. This will open the Search Settings page for DuckDuckGo Search. Here you'll find various options that control how search results are displayed. Scroll through the settings until you find Infinite Scroll. When this setting is turned off, DuckDuckGo displays a limited number of results per page, and you'll need to manually load the next page. When Infinite Scroll is enabled, additional results automatically load as you continue scrolling down. Simply turn the Infinite Scroll toggle on. Once that's done, return to your search results page. Now, when you scroll to the bottom of the results, DuckDuckGo will automatically load more results without requiring any extra clicks. This can make searching feel much faster, especially when researching topics, comparing products, reading tutorials, or browsing through multiple sources. And if you ever decide you prefer the traditional page-by-page experience, you can return to the same settings page and disable Infinite Scroll at any time. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Infinite Scroll in DuckDuckGo Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more DuckDuckGo tutorials, browser customization guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.